friends! So today I'm super excited to share with you a new art technique I tried out, leaf stamping. I haven't done any kind of stamping art since I was a kid. So when I saw this idea from a fellow art YouTuber I love to watch, Vanilla Nina, I knew I had to give it a go. Plus, who doesn't love getting a little creative in the backyard, right?
Oh yeah!
It was actually kind of fun heading out into the backyard to find the perfect leaves for this project. And lucky me, my neighbor's tree had the perfect leaves poking through onto my side of the fence, so I didn't have to go far. To start, I decided to step out of my comfort zone with the colors for this piece. Normally, I'm all about those bright neon vibes, but since I was trying a new technique, I thought, why not try a new color palette too? I went for a dark, moody look this time, starting with a dark green background on the canvas. Once that was dry, it was time to get stamping. I began with a group of leaves and applied white paint to the front of them. Now here's where I ran into a little challenge, figuring out the right amount of white paint to use. At first, I applied too much, which ended up losing some of the fine details of the leaves. But once I adjusted and used a thinner layer of paint, the results came out much better. I stamped the leaves all over the canvas, making sure to leave some space in between for the next layers. I wanted to make sure there was some variety going on with my leaves, so once I stamped a couple of them using the first group of leaves, I switched over to a new set of leaves. At one point, I even broke off one of the leaves from the group to use as an individual stamp. After the white paint dried, I painted a very thin layer of the same green I used for the background. And when I say thin, I mean really thin. It's important to water down the paint so it doesn't completely cover up the leaves. Once that layer dried, I repeated the process with a new set of leaves, again using white paint and stamping them onto the canvas, always leaving room for the next layer. This time, after the white dried, I added a layer of blue, again thinning it out with water. Layer by layer, I built up the depth of this piece. After each layer of white and color, I stamped new leaves until I had a rich, multi-layered design. For the final layer, I used a darker purple, and just like before, I made sure the paint was nice and thin so it didn't cover up all of the previous layers. Once the final layer dried, I went in with a gold paint pen to outline some of the leaves and add a few small details. I didn't outline all of the leaves, just the ones that I thought needed to be highlighted to really pull the composition together. This technique was surprisingly easy to try, even if you're a beginner, and the variety of leaves you can use means the possibilities are pretty much endless. You can create so many different looks just by changing up the leaves or the colors. I'm so glad I gave this technique a try, and I hope you feel inspired to give it a go too. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to try something new, leaf stamping is definitely worth exploring. For more art tutorials just like this one, click this playlist right here, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye friends, live and love art!